వి గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ తాకట్టులో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకే కొనబడును. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు సంప్రదించండి 7771077720.
High Court. Sons and daughters. And the Guardian Judge Justice Sharath, other dignitaries on the dais, the Principal District and Session Judge Sri A. Jayaraju, Sri B. Venkataya Gaud, President Bar Association, Sri Hanumantarao. Gratitude to all of you, in particular my colleagues Justice Lakshman, Justice Sharath, and the President of the Bar Association to have allowed me to be part of this ceremony. In fact, they made a lot of persuasions also because of time constraints and having to lay a foundation stone of such court complexes across the state, which is far across from Hyderabad. I was wondering that it may not be possible to visit all of them. Fortunately, we devised a method of virtually laying down the foundation stone of some of these court complexes which are far away from Hyderabad. But only being very close to Hyderabad and very close to heart, I got an opportunity to be part of it. I echo the sentiments and the feelings and the ideas expressed by my learned previous speakers about the need of setting up of such a judicial infrastructure in this district. I understand that this district is so close to Hyderabad and it has a lot of potential which in times to come are going to increase the challenges of all the institutions including the district judiciary in this district. And for all the institution stakeholders to function efficiently, it is important to have both software and hardware, which is the common terminology nowadays being used. Software, of course, is the human resource, the technological resource, the paperwork, etc. But physical infrastructure is the hardware. A district court cannot function from a rented premises. On that note, I must thank, first of all, the members of the building committee of the High Court, the state government, the district administration, and the agency which has been appointed to execute the work, to have got together to ensure that the construction of the building takes off on an auspicious note today, on an auspicious time. And I thank all of you to have allowed me to be part of it. As I said in the other function also, all of us, especially the judiciary, have to fulfill the constitutional goals. We have to rise to the expectations and aspirations of the people of the district in particular where we are today, the state and the country as a whole. We have challenges on all fronts, but it is our duty to ensure that every citizen of the state and the district and the entire country gets and in the process of our functioning is ensured equality, fraternity, dignity and respect, and all fundamental freedoms are guaranteed. So that is our responsibility. The judicial officers of this district have a great challenge. I always say that the judicial officers cannot function on their own. They need the support of their own staff, the members of the bar, and all stakeholders, including the administration. So let us not function in silos or in isolation. Let us not think that we are at loggerheads with other institutions. The ultimate goal is to make the nation strong, the country strong, and the institution strong. And then, lastly, our own interests. That has been my motto always, and this is the message. I am quite inspired by the motto of the Indian Armed Forces, where the country is put first and the personal self is put last. So I cajole all of you present here, each one of you and each one of the residents of the state and district to rise up above the expectation and to perform well and to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the people at large. I once again thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to be part of this auspicious function. Thank you. Jai Hind.
తెలుగులో ఫాస్టెస్ట్ న్యూస్ యాప్ ఇప్పుడు కొత్త అవతారంలో 5 సెకండ్లోనే పూర్తి వార్తా సమాచారం మీ చేతిలో. సోషల్ మీడియా ట్రెండ్స్ మీ కళ్ళ ముందుకే లైవ్ టీవీ అండ్ వాయిస్ సెర్చ్ ఆప్షన్స్తో ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. యాప్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంది.